Welcome to the series Monologue of an Artist, episode 4. As an artist, you have to experiment, you have to try new things, you have to be spicy. So today I decided to experiment on this girl name we call Grace. There she is.
She's got ponta.
So I decided to give her massive bunda, not because of any reason, just to make her look interesting. All this I'm doing is just to create a point of view where Grace is on a stage and he's talking to people. This is just a point of view from the below part where the cameraman captures, the main point of view. And eventually, this is the main idea that I was trying to portray. Not the final idea, but the main idea.